Hi everyone, welcome back to the episode 29 of Learning Kotlin Live. First of all, so it's Chinese. Well, you guys know that Chinese New Year is approaching, so I'm going to talk. Next week, I'm going to take some rest and celebrate the Chinese New Year, so I won't be streaming next week and this Friday, so um, yeah, that's all I want to report. So let's do some more coding work today. So let's move forward to arcade. And there, oh yeah, we need to improve the performance of Minesweeper. Hey, where's my Kotlin code? Okay, safe. So we're doing a lot of operations here. We're doing, first of all, what we are doing? We have an n square matrix that goes through the, what do we go through? Every node. Oh, actually, it's okay. It's the initialization of the final answer. And there we have the, what is this? And there we have, oh, this is actually, so, oh, okay, no, not really. It's still an n times n because this is constant, and this is constant. So it's just 9 times constant. So yeah. So we have another n times n square evaluation that do a lot of add and minus, which gives us the answer. So what would be an easier way, which that maybe we can get rid of this? Well, how about yeah, so maybe that is actually faster. So that would be actually counting the 8 cells that are next to you. With that, we can reduce a lot of adding operations because with that we probably can this constant 9 would be reduced to 1 because for every cell we check the 8 cells, and we probably would need to add for some extreme cases, like let's do it in this custom test. We never write custom test, right? That would be a really big one, so maybe not do it now. Let's see. Okay, so but that would be, okay. I thought that would be constant, but not more difficult, but actually no. So we will have this loop moved here. So, and value, okay, actually is a var sum equals to 0. We add the sum here. So that's the offset, blah blah blah, and we don't care itself. We don't care about ourself. And target s, target y. Oh, actually, maybe it was this print line here that gives me an arrow. Well, code signal itself is not like leak code where you can benchmark your performance. So yeah, it's the problem was that print long. So just another lesson if you don't know already, print long, which is output to system, is a lengthy operation. Still, I can talk about what I was about to do here. I was about to calculate the answer here, like for val sum equals to 0, and we add the sum here, and here we calculate the sum. Where is it? So instead of setting the row, getting and setting, which is as well not so efficient operation, we check range, and if that slot is where is it? If that slot is target X, target Y, if that slot is a mine, we add sum. Actually, it does not do anything faster actually, because this sum is still added 9 times. So yeah, this is not worth it. So let's move back to it. Okay, actually let's just get back and find the next range of reason. What could this be? Array replace. Given an array of integers, replace all the occurrence of element to replace with substitute element. Okay, that would be easy, but that's, yeah, we have a mutable list, so that could be super easy. Let's first do the easy version. For item index and range, 0 up to, was that up to, or Kotlin up to, no, until, okay, 0 until input array dot length of input array dot what dot input array index equals to element to replace, then input array index now equals to substitution element, and we can simply return the input array. That's it. That's the easy version of this. So I am actually a little bit interested. Oh, wait. There's a syntax error somewhere. Oh, it's size. Yeah. So I'm going to take a look at Kotlin lambda. So that would be a topic that we probably would like to cover next time. But that's okay. Let's first do some Stack Overflow search. Kotlin replace mutable list lambda map list. Like, is it stream? Mutable list to stream. No. Drop. No. Blah blah blah. Nope, I don't see what I was expecting. Somewhere obvious. So, yeah, I want stream.collect. Okay, so we don't need to stream.collect. We actually need, we actually just map. Or replace filter? No. Okay. I'm giving up, and we might revisit this somewhere after we have read function on lambdas here. So, you know, you have a lot to read, actually. Next text, please. evenDigitsOnly. If all the digits of the given integer are even, Wow, this is pure algorithm. We don't use anything Kotlin here. And it is larger than. I think this is everything. We take the last digit and check if it is. There is no. Oh, can be reassigned. Var n clone equals to n. And clone, and clone, and clone. What? Why? All digits of the even given integer are even. Why? Mm-hmm. Variable name constitute only of English letters, digits, and underscores, and they can start with a digit. Okay, that's something interesting now. I have never read the regular expression in Kotlin. Nope, I don't want to replace. Zeno? SoundCloud? Well, anyway. Two regex, okay. Match result. What? Give me a match result. This is pointing to some incorrect places. Yeah, I should file a bug for this. Okay. How do I simply check if it's not no? Okay. So I would probably check value. What happened if there is no match? Okay, so groups dot size equals to 1. So, what kind of regular expression should I write? And underscores, and they can't start with a digit. So that would be A to Z, 0 to 9, and oh, it can't start with a digit, and plus, no, star. I'm not 100% confident, and I believe there are better ways to write this. Only safe or non-null calls are allowed on a nullable receiver of type match resort. Oh, so it could be nullable. Match resort. Where's the match resort? Match entire, and it could be there are no matches. Just to write the alternative way, we can also null safety, Kotlin, where is it? House. Oh, that's the Elvis operator. I think this is also valid. Just less sufficient and less unreadable. Less readable, I mean. Yeah, it's also safe at least for the first 10 cases. So, alphabeticShift. Well, okay, I think that would be the last question I can write today. So, that is actually if we can collect a string dot Kotlin string to character stream. Alright, let's play the 2-try array. Is there map and string? I don't think so. map. Oh, there is a map. So that would be input string dot map. Char into I hope I'm doing it correctly. No, I am not. Transform O. Char of type HAR. Oh, okay. Oh, cannot be applied to receiver string or arguments. Well, this is probably not the way to. Wow, this probably require me to read the higher order function source, what's those sort of things as well. So I need a transform. Okay, anyway, lambda. Let's take a look at this lambda here. There it is. List of nothing but string was expected. Expected type, inferred type is list of nothing. List of nothing. I kind of have a feeling that this is not treated as a Oh, so it was actually this map that returns a list of, yeah, a list of char. Wait a minute, let me. So that's a list of char, but we actually want a string. List of char to string. Kotlin. Join to string. I'm not sure which one is more efficient actually. Let's first try a super simple one. Is it inferred? It's probably inferred, but expected type string? No, I was not expecting string. What? We just learned Kotlin generics. I think we just learned generics last time, so function. Generic functions. Oh, it's after it. Type string. Why is it still string? Why? Why is the expected type still string? This makes no sense. Map. Transform from char to something. a list of that. So yeah. Why can't I just transform it into char? Okay, I'm going to write it in another way so that I would definitely not miss it. Let's paste it here. So what is the switch case for Kotlin? Else switch when at the a else id plus 1 as char. I hope this is doing me that favor. Oh, I need to just remove these. Alright, I passed, although I don't know exactly why the if is not working, because probably because it's lambda and I shouldn't have that much logics in that lambda. Maybe it's not. I don't really mean by logic. I don't really mean logic. I mean that syntax just doesn't fit into that if else syntax just don't fit into lambda. So okay, that's all for today. We actually spent more time. So a quick reminder: we're going to stop streaming. I'm going to skip streaming and in the early February. So the last stream would be January 31st, and I will resume the streaming on probably February 11th or 12th. So that kind of depends on my schedule. So it's most likely 11th, but I will announce on the YouTube. Like, please check the scheduled casting time after January 31st, which is the last stream, and I will update the stream time to the next stream to be February 11th or 12th. So that's all for today. See you guys. Bye bye.